Hello viewers, I bring to you special rice. This rice is pure organic. No chemicals, it was grown purely organic. The name of this rice is Nature Force Food. Perboiled rice, long grain. You need to check out this rice. It's very delicious. Check it out. And guess what? This rice comes in 50 kg, well packed. Nothing was removed from it. It's 100% 50 kg, and it's a full bag. Nothing has been deducted from it. So you can get this rice at very lower price that you cannot believe. So if you're interested, just call on this number on the screen and begin to make your orders. People are rushing. In fact, over a trailer, this is the few remaining. Make your orders now.
For more information, WhatsApp us on 070-644-09267 or call us on 0912-5577774.